Hi, welcome to Kaulinya Institute for Competitive Studies. In the previous videos, we have discussed about what is meant by essay and the factors to be remembered while writing your essay in your competitive exams. So after knowing these concepts, we have to go in depth with about the each sector, that is the first whatever we have given in the yesterday's previous sections, that is the contemporary issues. In that contemporary issues, we have a most important current affairs issue. It is called as coronavirus, or it is also called as COVID-19. It's a great lesson to reset the humanity and its priorities. From time to time, the world has been tormented with newly emerging pandemic throughout the history. So it was believed earlier that the intensity of the destruction caused by such pandemics was largely on account of lack of better health facilities. But this current COVID-19 outbreak has proved that humans are still not completely able to fight pandemics caused by deadly viruses. The COVID-19 outbreak was first reported towards the end of 2019 in Wuhan in Hubei province of China. Subsequently, it spread to other parts of the world. It was declared as pandemic by the WHO on 11th March 2020. So what is coronavirus? Coronavirus are large family of viruses that are common throughout the world and can cause respiratory illnesses in people and animals. There are several known coronaviruses that infect humans and animals. Human coronaviruses were first discovered in 1960. The coronavirus that can infect humans are, these are all the different type of the viruses. The first one will be 229E alpha coronavirus, NL63 alpha coronavirus, OC43 beta coronavirus, HKU1 beta coronavirus, MERS-CoV beta coronavirus, SARS-CoV beta coronavirus. So these are all the different species of the coronavirus. A new coronavirus, also known as novel coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2, is newly emerged coronavirus that was never been identified before. It is responsible for the outbreak of COVID-19 disease that caused respiratory illness in humans. The new coronavirus is zoonotic in nature. So zoonotic means it's nothing but it can spread easily from animals to humans. So that kind of nature is called as zoonotic nature. The people infected with COVID-19 diseases due to the new coronavirus experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without any special treatment. But the COVID-19 disease affects the older, vulnerable people badly, and those having other medical problems, the people, those having cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, chronic respiratory diseases, cancer, etc., are more likely to develop serious illness. So, after knowing this coronavirus origin and where it is found in first case, so and also the different species of coronavirus and also the definition of coronavirus, next will be you have to know that is how it is going to spread. The coronavirus, that is the COVID-19 disease, spread primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The virus can also spread through the aerosol particles discharged from the mouth while speaking in closed spaces. The people who are infected with COVID-19 disease can get either very low infection or very high infection. Those who have been infected with a lower infection load may develop very mild symptomatic symptoms or develop no symptoms at all. Those infected with a higher infection load develops severe symptoms which can also be the life-threatening. The viruses seem to be easily spreading in the community and sustaining for a longer period in the community because of asymptomatic infection that are not easy to detect. In COVID-19 diseases, the common symptoms include runny nose, fever, headache, cough, sore throat, red marks on the skin, loss of taste and smell, rashes, tenderness, diarrhea, etc. People having serious illness due to COVID-19 disease are not able to breathe easily, may feel chest pain and the pressure and may also have loss of speech or the movement. So from this video, we have covered the origin of the coronavirus and the definition and the different species of the coronavirus and how it will going to spread its to another. So after this points, we have to cover still more points in the next videos, like what are the measures taken by India to fight COVID-19 and impact of COVID-19 on global economy, vaccine development against the COVID-19 and the preservative methods to be taken for COVID-19. So after this completion of each and every sector, the essay of this coronavirus we are going to be complete. So in the next video, the same topic, that is coronavirus, has to be continued in the next videos also. So if anybody are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Thank you.